In order to write linear equations, we always need to know what our slope is, which we use the variable m, and what our b value is, which is also our y-intercept. Once we have our m and our b, we are able to put together the slope-intercept form of equation y equals mx plus b by plugging in these pieces. Some examples that have been given to you in this section are: what is the equation of the line that has a slope of 4 and passes through the point 3, 7? Well, this particular problem gives me my slope, so I have half of my answer so far. But I do not have a b value. I have another ordered pair on the line. So in order to do this, I'm going to take that equation of y equals mx plus b, and I'm going to plug in the components that they give me. They already told me that my slope is 4. They also give me an x and a y value. The x value is 3. I will plug it here beside the m value, and my y is 7. This particular ordered pair works for this linear equation, therefore I can plug it in and solve for b. 4 times 3 is 12. I bring down my 7 and bring down my plus b. Then solving for b, I'm going to simplify or solve this equation by doing the inverse operation of subtracting 12 from both sides, and I will get a b value that is equal to -5. Now again, once we have our slope, our m, and our b, I can write an equation in slope-intercept form for this problem. My final equation is going to be y equals 4x minus 5. Another example of writing linear equations in this lesson is given the point-slope form of a line y minus 2 equals 3 times x minus 5. What is the equation in slope-intercept form? Well, first of all, given the equation in point-slope form, it also gives me that my slope is 3 and that I am going through an ordered pair 5, 2. The reason that I know this is that point-slope form written out is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1, where m is given to us and our ordered pair x, y is given to us and filled into the problem. So given this, I could go back and work it the same way that I worked the previous problem, or you can just from point-slope form continue and solve the problem. In this particular one, we're going to go ahead and walk through and solve it from point-slope form and put it into slope-intercept form, which I just call rearranging the problem. The first thing that I see that I can do is I can distribute this 3 on the right side of the problem. In distributing the 3, I will get 3x minus 15. I bring down the y minus 2. Now if you'll notice that the right side of the problem, 3x minus 15, already looks like mx plus b. The only problem is this minus 2 on the left side of the problem is out of place. So we need to move it to the right side of the problem. Well, the opposite of minusing a 2 would be to add 2 to both sides. When I add 2 to both sides, that leaves me y by itself on the left side. 3x is brought down. A negative 15 and a positive 2 is going to create a negative 13. The slope-intercept form of this equation is y equals 3x minus 13.